Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start on the driver's side, unlock the door with the physical key, and sit in the driver's seat. Once done, disengage ignition and set parking brake. This prevents electrical surprises. Make space by sliding the front passenger seat forward because you will reach through to the trunk release area. Grab a flashlight and a flathead screwdriver so you can see and access panels. Do this now so you are positioned and equipped to reach the hidden trunk release without relying on battery power. You now work through the cabin to the rear seats. Locate the 40/20/40 split release pins near the top of the rear seat back. Push the release and fold down the center section to create a hand path. Shine your flashlight and pry off the small trim panel on the trunk side of the folded seat. This exposes the emergency release cable or latch access. Reach in, find the release cable, and pull it firmly toward you. This mechanically disengages the trunk latch without electrical power. After you pull the release cable, lift the trunk lid slowly and support it. Some models may not have springs engaged when opened manually. If the latch resists, depress the latch lever with one hand while pulling the cable repeatedly. This frees a sticky mechanism. Make sure you lift straight and avoid sudden movements to prevent damage. If mechanical access fails, jump-start the car or call roadside service to avoid forcing components. This preserves the latch and wiring for proper repair later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.